We'd like to welcome you all today. My name is Julie Ruse. I'm board of ITT, the sorting center you're going to visit to get an impression of what we're doing here in Enschede, how we collaborate with the various partners in the region, and how we create work for either people with distance to the labor market, as well as how we use recycled materials and turn them into great new products. And next to me is Annemie Koster.
Yeah, I'm the founder of Enschede Textielstad, the weaving mill housed in the far corner of this building. To start, a weaving mill and a sorting center under the same roof is quite unique. And that's all because in 2018 we started a foundation called TexPlus, Twente Milieu, which is the garbage collecting company in this region. And textiles is one of their waste streams. And the issue that Twente Milieu faced is that a lot of textiles end up in landfill instead of in the right container. Because people assume that a tea towel with a hole in it cannot be recycled, so they put it in the grey bin in Holland, which means that it's incinerated instead of recycled. That was a huge issue. Also a lot of waste ending up in the textile bins. That's the other way around, a big issue. Then we have the sorting center. And then Saxion, of course, as a research institute, very busy on a lot of projects dealing with recycling, circularity. And then lastly, my company, Enschede Textielstad, a weaving mill. We're focused on circularity and sustainability. So in every fabric we make, we always make the choice, what is the most circular version for the end use of this fabric. So from the start we only used recycled or locally sourced yarns. The baseline is that no single organization can fix the whole issue. I think the ETP is also proof of that you need collaboration in order to really make that shift happen.
I really appreciated the combination of industrial practice from the collection and the sorting and everything related to a couple of startups and to a real industry that is really working there. So it was really impressive.
We are in the eastern part of the Netherlands. Saxion is located in 3 cities, Apeldoorn, Deventer and Enschede. At the moment you are in Enschede, and that's also our biggest, the biggest part of Saxion. Looking at research, research is a, let's say, growing area, and it's also the ambition of Saxion to grow in this area. At the moment we have 27 research groups and about 500 researchers.
I think it was a great opportunity to give the ETP networks a chance to connect with our local community, with our consortium partners, and also on the same time to get so many people from all about Europe to our laboratories, but also to have them joining the inaugural lecture today. So I think in bringing networks together, so here today a lot of Dutch SMEs, which offers, I think, a great benefits for both sides, and also for us a great honor to be connected to directly in the program of the ETP conference this year, and hope to really give a new great image of the Netherlands. You've seen the busy streets of Amsterdam. Here in the east, of course, a lot of technical developments are going on, but also to see both sides and hopefully to have future collaboration on a European level.
Because let's say you can go to a sorting facility by yourself if you ask them to visit, but how can you see this lab without someone who can invite you here and who can tell you everything about the machines and who can show you the experiments that they work on. So I think only by being part of this organization and coming to the conference, you gain access to this type of environment and learning experience.